Typical placement of a return air filter is going to be on the base of the product on the return side. And in this case, it is located directly below the equipment. You want to make sure the furnace is off, no airflow is moving through it. To remove the filter, no tools are going to be required in this instance. Healthy Climate Solutions makes an air cleaner cabinet where all you got to do is grab the handle on the door, a gentle pull away from the cabinet releases the door. Removing the door completely exposes the filter itself. Grabbing one of the easy pull tabs on the filter itself, gently sliding it out, removing the filter. Once you get the filter removed, there's a couple important details that we have to make note of. The first one is going to be filter dimension. Filter dimension is going to tell us that we have the right filter for the cabinet that we have. The second detail of this filter is going to be an airflow directional arrow that tells us which direction this filter has to be installed into the cabinet. This airflow direction is very important as it affects the filtration and protects the filter from being pulled into the blower. And like this filter being a 5-inch wide filter, Lennox recommends replacing this filter every 9 to 12 months. If it happens to be a 1-inch filter, Lennox recommends it being replaced every 1 to 3 months. And of course, this timing is based on application. It may need to be replaced more frequent. To reinstall the filter, it's very easy, but you have to remember that we have to be aware of the airflow direction. Each furnace filter will have a specific arrow, so we're going to go ahead and make sure the arrow is in the correct position. We're then going to reinsert the filter back into the cabinet, pressing it in the whole way. To replace the door, we have to make sure we're aware of these 4 clasps that will hold the door tight. Again, no tools required. Lining up those clips, popping the clips in place with a little gentle force on all 4 corners. Door is back in place and the furnace can now be operational.